Hi, welcome to Practical Nursing. I'm Laurie Stocking, the Practical Nursing Director here at Caddo Highway Technology Center. Welcome, we're glad you're here.
Nurses are the heart of healthcare, and your journey starts here. At CKTC, our Practical Nursing program prepares you to deliver top-quality patient care in real-world medical settings. You'll gain the hands-on skills, knowledge, and confidence to become a licensed practical nurse, ready to make a difference every day. As an LPN, you're the eyes and ears for registered nurses and physicians, providing more one-on-one care than anyone else on the team. From assessing patients to administering medication and changing dressings, your role is vital to every patient's recovery. And the demand for skilled LPNs has never been higher. With so many entry-level opportunities, you can quickly begin your career, and if you choose to continue your education, becoming an RN is just the next step forward. So if you're ready for a meaningful, hands-on career in nursing, let CKTC's Practical Nursing program be your springboard to success.